What's happening, everyone? Happy Monday. I just scared my dog. Happy Monday. It is January 6th, right around noon 30. I'm in the house today because it is nasty outside. It's cold, it's rainy, it's windy. Not too much wind, but a little bit. So I put my son to work this morning, and we started planting inside some stuff, right? So we got some bush hybrid onions. We got some evergreen bunching onions. We got some black seed Simpson lettuce and some flashy trout lettuce. The flashy trout, that's the same stuff I used last year. And the seeds that we planted are from those lettuces. Cauliflower, broccoli, and cabbage. If you can see that, cabbage and broccoli. I got some potatoes here that I'm going to cut up here pretty soon and plant those outside. I already planted some sweet potatoes. I don't know if I did it right, but I'm trying. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. Already planting indoors. These are going to take, I don't know, almost 2 weeks to germinate. So they should start popping up here in a couple of weeks. I'll probably let them sit inside for another week after that, and then move them outside. And at that point, I'm going to plant my tomatoes inside. I got like 8 or 9 different types of tomatoes I'm going to plant this year. So that's the plan. That's what I've done today. I may be a little early in the season, but we're going through a cold snap now, and hopefully it doesn't last long. But you know, my last frost is supposed to be right around the 13th of March, something like that. So if I let these sit inside for 3 weeks to a month, that puts it at the end of February or beginning of February. Maybe I'll move them outside. If not, I'll just let them, depending on the weather, I'll let them sit inside for longer. Keep watering them, keep letting them go. So I got them in these little containers. And then I have them in trays, which I have water down there so they can soak up the water instead of me pouring water over it. So that works out. That'll help. I got them here by the window so they get some morning sun when they do start coming up. Yeah, I'm excited. Already getting ready to start for the next gardening season. This will be year 2 that I've planted a garden. So I'm excited. I think I did pretty well last season. I didn't do well with the watermelon. I didn't do well with the cantaloupe. I did okay with zucchini, but I did not do well with squash. So I'm going to plant those here in the spring instead of the late summer. So we'll see what happens. I got a whole schedule made up of when I'm planting what and where I'm putting what. Maybe when it's not raining out, I'll take you back out in the garden and show you the updates. If I didn't do that already, I may have, but we'll do it again. So that's what I got going on. Happy Monday. Have a great week. Be safe. It's cold and rainy outside. It's cold in most of the country right now. So be careful. Be safe. Hope you, your friends, and your family are all safe, healthy, and happy. And be good to each other.